Battle of the Large Men. Bobby Telford Jr. Oh, so... Ooh, earthquake. What just happened? That was scary. That was like a bunch of weight falling on the ground at once. Oh, ooh, that knee tap? Oh! Oh, snap. Wait, what? I just figured it out because of you.